Okay, this is the farm. Jesus park there. The birdhouse. This is the new home extension. We're looking at room number 1. Room number 1 looks quite complete. Izam is doing the wall plastering. So the ceiling board will be coming up soon. Okay. Room number 2 a little bit darker because there's no light from both sides, but I can tell you that the plastering is complete. Room number 3 is here. Now we're looking at the kitchen and storeroom extension. We're going in. A little bit dirty, but looks like our bathroom is coming up. Our kitchen is coming up, so no problem. There's Jakob's wife over there. This is where our kitchen area is going to be, where the 2 wheelbarrows are. Right here is probably where we're going to install the aircon compressor. Perhaps here on this wall, or maybe at the far wall where the abandoned pond is. Okay.